Have you ever liked a woman but no matter what you do, she just doesn't seem to notice you? What if I told you that it's not about trying harder, it's about showing up differently? Today, I'm going to reveal the subtle shifts that can turn indifference into genuine interest and make her see you in a whole new light. Welcome to Talia Talks Love. Today, we're diving into how to attract a woman who doesn't seem interested at first, and the subtle shifts in energy, confidence, and presence that can make her start noticing you in a whole new way. Today, we're diving into something a lot of men quietly struggle with: how to attract a woman who doesn't seem why she's not interested, yet interested at first. Love and desire aren't always obvious. Just because she's distant or reserved doesn't mean she isn't open to connection. Often, the smallest change in how you show up, your energy, mindset, or behavior, can unlock something unexpected in her heart. So, if you've ever looked at her and thought, "I don't stand a chance," right there, what you're about to learn could completely shift the way she sees you. We all deserve to be noticed and valued. And sometimes tiny adjustments spark the biggest emotional reactions. That's exactly what we'll cover today. Simple, practical strategies that can turn quiet indifference into genuine interest. Let's explore how confidence, charm, subtle psychology, and emotional presence can help her notice you, even if she didn't before. And remember, it all begins with confidence and a smile. First, let's talk about eye contact. The psychology of emotional contrast kind that changes everything. This isn't just about glancing her way or locking eyes randomly. We're talking about intentional, warm, and emotionally aware eye contact. Here's a tip most men don't know. Focus slightly on her left eye. Studies show this can trigger oxytocin, the love hormone, which deepens trust, connection, and intimacy. The goal isn't to stare or creep her out, but to offer a calm, grounded look that says, "I see you. You matter." Words can lie, but eyes rarely do. When your gaze carries warmth and sincerity, she remembers you. Next, let's touch on something often overlooked: your scent. A subtle, well-chosen fragrance can make you instantly more attractive. Scent is tied to emotional memory, so when she catches a hint of it, she recalls the moment spent with you. Choose a fragrance that reflects your personality. Woody or musky if you're calm and grounded, spicy or dark citrus if you're mysterious and intense. It's like leaving an invisible signature that sparks intimacy without words. Now, anxiety. Body language that builds curiosity. Many men feel nervous, especially with someone who seems distant, but stress blocks attraction. Natural ways to calm yourself, like L-theanine from green tea, ashwagandha for lowering cortisol, or magnesium for better sleep, help you feel grounded and present. Relaxed confidence is magnetic. Before a date, even a quick chat with someone who loves you, a parent, sibling, or close friend, can remind you of your worth and lower stress. That calm, assured energy radiates, and she feels it, even subconsciously. When it comes to planning the date, ditch the predictable dinner and movie routine. Instead, create an experience that sparks emotion: a spontaneous drive, salsa dancing, an escape room, or a secret concert. Emotional highs make memories stick. And when you're the source of excitement or curiosity, she links those feelings to you. It's called misattribution of arousal. Her heart races and she starts noticing you differently. On the date, show confidence subtly through social interactions. The power of detachment. Treat waiters, bartenders, and others with respect. Not to impress her, but because true confidence shows in how you move through the world. Women notice this instinctively. Calm, kind, and grounded behavior makes you both attractive and trustworthy. Finally, handling the bill. Keep it quiet and confident. There's no need for theatrics or showing off money. Assertive, understated actions demonstrate self-assurance without arrogance. Small details like this communicate stability and respect. And stability paired with charisma is unforgettable. Instead of making a scene when the bill arrives, wait until she steps away, maybe to the restroom, and handle it quietly. No words, no showy gestures, just calm action. This subtle move says a lot. You take initiative without needing praise. You're generous without needing validation, and you're in control without asserting dominance. That's real confidence. When she returns and finds the bill already taken care of, she'll feel an unexpected respect for your maturity and setting boundaries. The right way, a sense of emotional safety with you. At the end of the date, resist rushing for a kiss. One of the biggest mistakes men make is trying to seal the night too quickly. Restraint is far more magnetic than desperation. Leave her with a warm hug, a sincere, "I had a great time and just enough curiosity." Let her imagination linger on the next encounter. That gentle anticipation builds emotional gravity. Leaving things unsaid creates mystery, shifting you from the guy she overlooked to the one she can't stop thinking about. Here's the hard truth. Attraction isn't about clever lines or a perfectly planned date. It's about who you are, both when she's around and when she's not. Most men obsess over her attention, but real attraction starts inside. A mindset shift. Women are drawn to men who are constantly evolving. Not perfect, not rich or famous, just growing mentally and emotionally. That's why ear stoicism comes in. Stoicism isn't being robotic. It's mastering your reactions, the biggest attraction killer, focusing on what you control, and staying calm under pressure. A man who doesn't chase or spiral after rejection becomes unpredictable, grounded, and magnetic. Start small. Read, work out, set goals. Practice stillness. Remove anxiety triggers like endless social media scrolling or comparison traps. When you're centered, women notice and lean in naturally. Psychological tension is another secret weapon. It's the dance of presence and restraint, warmth and mystery. When you're present but not desperate, calm yet attentive, women feel it instantly. They wonder what you're thinking, lean in, and start chasing subtly. Most men overt talk or try too hard. But the men women crave sit comfortably, listen more than they speak, and let their gaze and presence do half the work. Speak less, feel more. Don't try to impress her. Impress yourself. Speak slowly with pauses from a place of genuine emotion and values. Talk about what moves you, what drives final mindset shift, that changes everything what matters to you. That grounded honesty sets you apart from every other guy she's met. Safety is key. If she didn't notice you before, she likely didn't feel safe enough to open up. Every small gesture, opening a door, listening attentively, handling conflicts calmly, reinforces that she can trust you. Emotional safety breaks down walls, letting her see you in a completely new light. Remember, attraction is energy, not effort. Gifts, messages, or carefully planned dates won't work if your energy is needy. Calm, purposeful, confident energy draws naturally. You're not convincing her. Your presence does the work. You pull her in without asking. Mystery, self-mastery, and emotional gravity are your tools. Leave her curious. Make her wonder, and let her feel seen, respected, and understood. That's how real attraction forms. A woman doesn't just want a man who tries hard. She wants one whose energy makes her feel safe, beautiful, and alive. So when you see a woman who doesn't seem interested, don't shrink, chase, or resent. Stand tall, smile, and quietly tell yourself, she doesn't know me yet, but she will. Become the kind of man who is unignorable, not through effort, but through calm, centered presence. When that energy meets curiosity, magic happens. So, to wrap this up, remember this. Attraction isn't about trying harder, clever lines, or over-the-top gestures. It's about who you are, the energy you carry, and the calm confidence you show. Focus on being present, growing into the best version of yourself, and creating small moments of connection that make her feel safe, seen, and intrigued. When you do that, you don't chase. She starts noticing, thinking about you, and wanting to be around your energy. Stand tall, smile, and trust the process. Be the man who quietly pulls instead of pushes, and watch how everything shifts naturally. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tip. And I'd love for you to comment the word magnetic below if this video resonated with you. Let's see who's ready to step into that confident, irresistible energy. Thanks for watching. Talia Talks Love.